Here we have a situation where a homeowner suffered a pretty extensive fire loss. As you can see, the damage is pervasive to the entire home, the contents of the home, and really the homeowner themselves. One of the things we do run into a lot here at Five Valleys is fire loss, and fire loss is a lot more than just soot filling up your dream house, a beautiful home here that somebody's worked their entire life to build. And we understand here that psychologically, it's not just about your home. It's not even just about your contents. It's about the life that you built and the suffering of going through that fire and watching those dreams literally go up in flames. So here at Five Valleys, we take a lot of pride, and we're trained and aware of the difficulties you're going to face psychologically, and we work with you every step of the way to make sure that we take great care of your things. We do everything we can to restore that loss to the best of our ability and ensure that you get a semblance of recovery and get part of your life back.
Five Valleys Restoration. Respond, restore, rebuild.